guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I decided to organize and declutter my makeup collection. So I mentioned in my last video that whenever Sephora has their annual sale, I always buy new makeup. So I basically just use that as an opportunity to get rid of some makeup to kind of make room for more. So if you guys like these type of therapeutic organizational videos, definitely subscribe to my channel to see more from me. And also a very big thank you to Skillshare for sponsoring today's video. So the last time I filmed a makeup organizational video, one of you guys commented saying that instead of using the Zote laundry soap, I should try using Dawn and some water. So I tried that today, but I definitely think I added too much soap, and you guys are going to see why later on. I really want the brushes to finish drying tonight, so to help that happen, I wipe the brushes on the towel to help them dry faster. So far so good with the Dawn soap. I really liked it. I thought it cleaned my brushes really well. The only issue that I kept having was I was using too much. Every time I thought I was done washing out the soap from the brush, I would squeeze it and there would be more soap. So that was kind of like annoying me because I was trying to work quickly. You know, washing brushes can easily turn into an all-day thing. So I wanted to try and like do it as fast as possible. So I ran out of my mixture and I just did not feel like going back to the kitchen to redo it. So I just used some Castile soap, which actually worked really well. It rinsed off very quickly and it cleaned my brushes super well. I keep saying well, but the only thing is the Castile soap does have like a minty pepperminty. I can't talk today. It has like a fragrance and my skin is very sensitive, so I cannot handle too much fragrance on my face. So hopefully it doesn't linger. But other than that, I mean, the Castile soap like really got the job done. So I'm not complaining. So before we move on to clearing off the counter, I just want to talk about Skillshare. So Skillshare is a community that's online where you can learn and take different inspiring classes. So this is perfect for anyone who just loves learning and wants to explore their creativity and learn new skills. Personally, I have been using Skillshare as an opportunity to grow personally. I definitely have a lot of things I need to work on. Like I mention this all the time, but productivity and time management is not one of my strong suits. But yeah, I've been taking different classes to kind of help with that. Right now, I'm taking a class called Designing the Life You Want, 4 exercises for clarity and motivation. And this class is by Michelle B. There are many different things that you can learn on Skillshare. It's not just, you know, personal growth. So if you're interested in joining Skillshare, the first 1,000 people to use my link or my code Allyson will get 1 month free trial of Skillshare. So yeah, guys, moving on to clearing off my counter. I cannot keep this counter clean for the life of me. It is just almost impossible, but I'm just going to clear it off and quickly wipe it down because I just want to start off fresh. I don't want to put like my dirty makeup on a dirty surface. So technically, I guess that doesn't really matter, but for some reason, that's what I wanted to do.
safekeeping. Don't ever let nobody be the lead.
Anything I bring up to the camera, that's basically what I am getting rid of. And I'll show you guys like a complete, I guess, overview of everything I get rid of at the end.
By your mistakes, you know you try and you try really hard, but sometimes you fall. Yeah, sometimes you fall.
So because my makeup was filled with a lot of dust, I decided to wipe all of it down, and then I wiped the clear organizational containers as needed.
Be careful with my heart, oh. Say I'm not sensitive, but I can sense if it's right for me. Don't let your hair get in the way. Can't be defined by your mistakes. You know you try and you try really hard.
Ew, that Too Faced foundation looks so disgusting. I think the oil separated. Ugh, I definitely needed to get rid of that.
Sometimes you fall. And I know that you really tried to protect it. I know that you really tried, but you didn't get it. Sometimes you fall. Ooh, yeah. Ooh, yeah. Keep it in here and lock it. Keep it in here, don't knock it. Before you try being on your own side for once. For once.
How my clear containers got so dirty. Like, it had so much dust and powder, and then there was like a liquid spill. I don't know what I could have possibly spilled in there to make it look like that. It's just weird because it's in almost every drawer. Like, that's super strange.
Sometimes you fall. Sometimes you fall.
I'm not really separating the powders and the bronzers from each other. I'm just separating everything by color because, I mean, any other way just doesn't look good.
I'm telling you that there ain't no other way. Pack your bags and then you will go away. I'm not gonna be begging you to stay. Said maybe if you asked me yesterday, I would handle this differently. Things are different, I'm a new me. That's not gonna happen. That's not gonna happen. That's not gonna happen. So even if you're asking, even if you're asking, 'cause I do what I do, and it's time for something new. Yeah, gotta know when to let go. Gotta know when to let.
My makeup vanity is from IKEA. It's their Malm dressing table. It doesn't normally come out this far, but I didn't. My boyfriend followed the tutorial on how to allow the drawers to come out farther because they usually don't come out this far. So if you're interested in this table, just know that it, like, basically what you're seeing right now, it usually comes out about halfway, which is not like a lot of space at all.
I don't really like what I got, so I changed it bit by bit. It's not ungrateful, just being helpful for me and you. 'Cause we gotta go our own way, gotta go our own way. Yeah, this was not a good stay. Gotta go our own way. 'Cause I do what I do, and it's time for something new.
Just in case you're wondering, the thing lining my makeup vanity actually came with it, so I didn't buy it separately. The material basically is, I would say, kind of like felt. I mean, not exactly, but that's like the closest description to what I think it might be.
I don't appreciate the chase. Now there's nothing here for me. I gotta go, I'll fly away to a new space. You know, I don't appreciate the chase. Now there's
yeah, that Anastasia dip brow definitely needed to go. It had some weird, like, I don't know, spots on the cap, which I've never seen before. I feel like it's bacteria, which is disgusting. And the inside just like smelled weird. So I just got rid of it.
Wide awake is the way that you left me, side by side in your car in the backseat. Wide awake is the way that you left me, oh. Now it's clear we are here back at your house, and I keep fading into the background. I'm wide awake, now you keep missing out for sure. Take down your walls and let me, ooh, ooh, ooh. Yeah, brick by brick, now let me, ooh, ooh, ooh. I wanna be right there by your side. I wanna be there, won't you be mine?
I always like to keep a couple of eye creams inside my makeup table. When I don't have enough eye cream on, my makeup looks crazy. And honestly, it's helpful at night when sometimes I just get really lazy and I don't feel like moisturizing my face. But the one thing I will never forget to moisturize is my under eyes, because I do not want to develop any, well, I'm going to get wrinkles eventually, but you know, prevention is better than cure.
Yeah, brick by brick, now let me, ooh, ooh, ooh. I wanna be right there by your side. I wanna be there, won't you be mine? Take down your walls and let me, yeah, brick by brick, now let me,
I know. I was cutting some corners with the makeup palette section. I did not feel like taking it all apart. I was just really hungry, you guys. I was so hungry. So yeah, I was cutting corners, but normally I would definitely wipe down the whole thing.
Por ti mi corazón palpita. Siempre he sido tu chiquita. Cuántos te amos van ahorita. Yo ya perdí la cuenta.
Obviously, you guys can see that I haven't really touched my eyelashes, and that's because like I bought a lash book to basically organize them into one, I guess, section, but it didn't come in time, so I had to basically organize my vanity without it. But it's fine, because honestly, I think I'm going to return the lash book because I have no idea where it's going to fit inside the vanity. Like, I just do not have room. I would have to get rid of like a couple of makeup palettes to make it fit. But you know, honestly, I should. Like, I still have some pretty old, like, I still have the Urban Decay Naked palette. Like, I don't even use it anymore, but I just can't get rid of it. I don't know why. At this point, the brushes were like 50% dry, so I just decided to let it finish drying inside the makeup holder. So that is it, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it was therapeutic, and I hope it inspires you to clean out your makeup collection. I could have probably gotten rid of some more, but as you guys know, it is very hard for me to get rid of things. So I just do this often. Well, I try to do this often so I can just be better at, you know, getting rid of stuff. But I hope you guys have an amazing day or night. And if you aren't already subscribed and you love my videos, definitely subscribe so you can see more videos from me. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.